it for the first time. In the warning mode, a warning lamp will alert the driver if the system detects a problem. The driver should check the gauges immediately and pull over as soon as he can do so safely to inspect the engine. If you want to go a step further, you can select the Warn Derate option. For example, if you have a situation where the engine is overheating going up a long grade, in addition to warning the driver, horsepower is taken away. This forces a downshift, which takes a load off the engine, speeds up the fan, and reduces the stress on the cooling system so that it can effectively cool the engine down. In the Warn Derate shutdown mode, if one of the monitored conditions exceeds a predetermined setting, the warning lamp will come on, the engine will limit power, and within 30 seconds from when the warning light flashed, the engine will shut down. This is the ideal setting for maximum protection. If the engine shuts down and the driver restarts, it will only run for 30 seconds at a time until the problem is corrected. Anytime there's an engine problem, the self-diagnostic system records a code in its memory and causes the check engine lamp to flash once every 5 seconds. Instruct your driver to check the gauges and listen for anything unusual. If nothing seems wrong, the operator can continue on until the next stop. After the engine is shut down and then restarted, if the lamp does not continue flashing, that means the problem was a minor one and will be stored in the electronic control module's memory. However, the driver should report the incident and a technician should check the engine when convenient. To help you manage your operating costs, the CAT ID driver information display provides vital information about the engine's operation. It takes full advantage of the electronic controls to provide real-time instant feedback on important operating conditions, including miles per hour, average miles per gallon, oil pressure, and water temperature. But CAT ID is more than just an information display device. Combined with the Caterpillar Driver Reward Program, it gives your driver feedback on incentives based on maintaining proper engine speed, road speed, idling time, shift speed, and throttle demand. Our driver incentive plan keeps your drivers happy and motivates them to make greater contributions to your bottom line by achieving fuel economy goals. All you have to do is establish your fleet objectives for fuel efficiency and program them into the parameters of the electronic control module of your engines. CAT ID and your electronic engines will do the rest. CAT ID will track the driver's performance, let them know how they're doing, even while they're doing it, and calculate driver rewards for you. In short, CAT ID can help the driver be a better driver and help you manage your fleet better. There was a time when managing a fleet just meant buying reliable trucks. In today's economy, it takes more. Caterpillar electronic engines are designed not only for the reliable and dependable service you expect from Cat diesels, but they're engineered to give you peak performance at lower RPM, which means less money spent on fuel consumption. In this program, you've learned how the world's best managers and owners manage their drivers and their fleets for maximum performance. You now understand how speed can reduce operating efficiencies and profits, and the importance of trip planning. You realize that a very small increase in fuel efficiency can pay big dividends. And most importantly, you know what to do to achieve those efficiencies. When you spec your next truck, you'll be thinking about how electronic parameters can help you meet your operating goals. Most importantly, we hope we've reminded you of what you already knew. The true professional is always learning and always growing.